So this is Sapele Road, Benin City, and we are starting this video just after IG, which is country home. On this channel, I'll be capturing some part of Sapele Road, which is normally from Ring Road to maybe IG. So I want to show you this parts that I'm yet to capture on my YouTube channel. So this is like the first time maybe of capturing this part of Sapele Road. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys the current state of the road. Some part of this road have actually been worked on, not by the state government or the federal government. I think it was just private establishment that actually worked on the road. So I'm going to show you this part of Sapele Road that we worked on, and also we'll see the current state of the road. It's actually dry season, and the road is going to be very much motorable, or like rainy season. During the rainy season, the Sapele Road is very difficult to drive through. Apart from gridlock, is not motorable at all. So guys, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment in the comment section, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and put on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I post a new video. On the right hand side is the City of Hope Medical Center. So I'm not really sitting in the front seat, so I'm just trying to give you guys the best view that I can, and I hope you enjoy this video. The state government has promised that it's going to work on roads in Benin City. So by next year, let's see what is going to do concerning the state of roads, especially the Sapele Road in Benin City. This might actually be my second time of passing through this place. The first time I applied this road, it was so terrible. It was so terrible, and I felt like crying. We were stuck for like hours. So ever since then, I've done my possible best to avoid this route. If this is the only place I will have to take, I will just relax and not embark on that trip or journey. So this is actually rainy season, and I knew that it wasn't going to be a bad experience. And actually, it's not a bad experience. The road is free, and the road is quite okay. Still on Sapele Road, this road is often plied by heavy duty vehicles. You can see some of them parked along the road. So that's it. And Sapele Road is a busy place. It's a well-known place in Benin City. This place leads to another state, which is Sapele. This road actually leads to Sapele in Delta State. So let's keep going. If you will love to see more videos on Benin City, please do it to check them out on my YouTube channel. There are lots and lots of video of Benin City on my YouTube channel, and I promise you, you are going to enjoy every one of them. I think this particular route we are taking was recently worked on, as in they actually did a great work on this route. So the road is looking so nice and it's looking so great. So during the rainy season, I don't think here will be waterlogged. Actually, I don't really know until it rains. That's what we can really say. But currently, you can see this part, and you can see that the road was actually worked on. If you reside in Benin City, please do it to let us know in the comment section. And if you are from Benin City, please do it to rep your city in the comment section. So Benin City is actually an amazing place to reside in Nigeria. For those in diaspora that wants to see what Benin City currently looks like, you are in the right channel. You just have to subscribe to this channel so that you can see more videos on Benin City. So this is smart eyes. You can find a lot of smart eyes along this Sapele road. At this point, I will just leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video so that you have an idea of what this route currently looks like. So also in this video, we are going to be passing through the Sapele Road bypass, then the Idogbo bypass, and also Ikobai bypass. So I might not be too familiar with those areas to just be stating it, both the streets and every other thing. But at least I just want you guys to have a view of what those places currently looks like, because many of those underdeveloped areas are actually developing. They are just new building and companies springing up here and there. So enjoy the rest of the video.